This brand is made by Electrolux and is available online in North America as well as at many retail outlets, but their guarantee is only average when compared to the other brands. The Gallery series offers their most advanced air conditioners with inverter compressors and auto-swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room. They use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and have a 15 EER efficiency rating and are for cooling only. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled with Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands. They have eco and sleep modes for energy savings but only have a standard washable filter which does not do much to improve the home's air quality. The FFTE models are through-the-wall air conditioners with electric heat that have a 9.6 ER efficiency. The FHTC wall models have a built-in ionizer for improved air quality, and the FHTW units add Wi-Fi and voice control. The FHTC cool-only units have an 8,000 BTU capacity and use 115-volt power for flexibility in installation. They have a 10.6 ER efficiency and auto-swing louvers for good air circulation but only the standard washable air filters. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.